How to deactivate an Instagram account. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video has helped you out, please let me know in the comments or simply just leave a like so I actually know that this video has helped you out. So I'm over here inside of Instagram and what I want to do is be on your profile section over here because this is the account that I'm going to deactivate. And once you are here, what you then want to do is simply click at the top right corner on those three dashes and pretty much just open up the settings and activity. Once you are here, at the top we can see the account center. Now that is the Meta account center. Now this is all connected between Facebook and Instagram, but don't worry, when you deactivate your Instagram, you will not deactivate your Facebook account. So once you are here in the Meta account center, want to scroll a little bit down until you see personal details. Now, where you want to look out for is account ownership and control. Now, Meta or Instagram likes to move everything around every once in a while, so it's even more confusing to deactivate your account. But where you want to look out for is account ownership and control. That is where it will always be. So click on there. Then here we can see deactivation or deletion. Click on there again. Here you want to select which one you want to deactivate or delete. In this case, it's the Instagram account. And then here we can choose between deleting or deactivating your account. So I'm going to click on deactivate account and continue once again. Then here you will need to enter your password. And then here we need to choose a reason why. Now you can choose whatever you want or just something else. Click on continue. And then here we need to click on one last thing, and that is to confirm it. Click on deactivate account. And once you have confirmed that, your account will be deactivated. So that is pretty much it. That is how to deactivate an Instagram account.